Let's now handle the game over state. Alright, so the game should have a number of lives or balls or tries. I'm going to call it lives. I'm going to just set it to 1 for now so we can test this. Now let's go down to our update function. If this.lives equals 0, this.gameState will be equal to game over. So we run out of lives, we end the game. And we don't want to update anything else if it is game over. So there we go. Once we hit game over, the update will stop running. Now we just need to draw our game over screen. Let's just copy this here from our menu. And we will say game over. Just need to add the extra brace there. There we go. So we have our game over screen built. Let's just test it real quick to see what it looks like. There we go. Just need to fix some brackets. Let's format the document. So this is what it'll look like. Now we need to actually get the game to go to the game over state once the game is lost. So let's change this back to menu. Now inside of our ball class, we're checking collisions with both the top and the bottom. We just want to check a wall on top. So if the position of the ball is plus the size is greater than the game height, that's the bottom of the game. So let's cut this out. If we hit the bottom of the game, do we have access to the game here? We do. This.game.lives minus minus. Alright, let's try it out. Going to start the game. Going to purposely let it hit the bottom here. Game over. Perfect. Now what's going to happen when the ball gets below the game? Now we're going to lose a life, but it's immediately going to game over even though we have 3 lives set here. That's because the ball is never being reset. Let's grab this here. I'm going to pull this out, and I'm going to create a function called reset. So that'll reset our position and speed. So down here, whoops, when we lose a life, we will call reset. Let's try it out. So it should go below the screen. It'll reset. So now we're down to 2 lives. It'll reset. We have 1 life remaining. Game over.